Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on POCO Pad M1. So first go into the settings, then scroll down into the battery, and right here select the current mode to battery saver. OK. Then we have battery checkups right here, where you can check up your battery. Then battery protection, where you can change the charging protection to smart charging. And then go into the display and brightness, change the color scheme to dark mode and enable automatic brightness right here. Then go into the lock screen and shorten the sleep timeout. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.